The next one I have is like the time synchronization, like the exact time synchronization. So we have this, possibly a couple of times we have heard this problem, like when ConnectALL synchronizes a date time field or a date field, right? When it goes into the end applications, it changes based on the end application's time zone. Like it's not what ConnectALL is doing, but when it reaches the end application, it changes according to the destination application's time zone. So this is a problem we are hearing, especially when there is like a PST IST, a sync that happens at one time, and it just pushes you back like 8 hours later or 8 hours ahead, right? It just moves you one day up and down at certain point. We have this requirement coming up here and there. We have handled it for applications like Rally, but not as a complete solution. Like we don't have it for all the other adapters. What we did was like we are leaving it to the users to decide. Like if you have a date field, then you have a possibility like you can synchronize based on your application time. So whenever it's synchronized, it gets converted based on the destination system's time zone, or you exactly want the same value to be synchronized, right? It's like XYZ, and you always want that XYZ to go and don't change the hours or the dates, then you can select this exact date field. So we have given that in our automations in our entity page. Let me open up the automation that has got that. And this works across all applications that you wanted. By default, we are giving it as application time zone itself, because that's how all our existing customers are. We didn't want to make any change on their existing way it works. It will continue to work. Say, for example, I take a date time field. So if you see in a date time field, whenever my data type is date time, we have opened up something called date transformation. You'll have two options in here, application time and exact date time. So when you select application time, which is what the current behavior, all our existing customer will be in this, which means when it synchronizes to the end application, there's all possibility that it changes based on the time zone. Now my customer says, like, I don't really want to change it, I need the exact time, then you have to request them to select this exact date time. So it will not make any change, it will just synchronize what you have it in the source, the exact value will get synced in the destination. So any customer who's having this problem, who wants it, we recommend you to edit their automations and make these changes and save the automation, and from the next sync onwards it'll sync with this value.